Hey, what's up everybody? I am Kundan and today I am going to teach you the use of two very common words, yet difficult words, although on the surface they appear to be very easy, and these words are never and hardly. But before I do so, I would request you to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I upload new videos giving you tips on how to improve your spoken as well as written skills. Now back to our point, the use of the words never and hardly. Remember, the tips that I'm going to give you in this video, they are not applicable only to these two words, rather to a list of words. But I have selected only these two words to make you understand how they can be used. So let's get going. Observe the first sentence. I have used the word never here. I have never allowed it. So in a normal way, we say the sentence in this way only, I have never allowed it. But remember, sometimes for the sake of emphasis, for the sake of emphasizing the sentence, we may be in need of placing this adverb never as the first word in a sentence. So how will the structure of the sentence be? See, let's see. Never. Now, do not think that the structure of the sentence remains same. Just never has to be placed first. That is not the case. So when we write this adverb first, remember to supply the verb first. So here the order of words will be slightly changed and the sentence becomes never have I allowed, never have I allowed it. So see, first comes the auxiliary verb which is followed by the subject. So it is more or less the same structure that we follow in interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentence, we would write it as have I allowed it, and there the sentence would end with a question mark. But here it ends with a full stop because it is not an interrogative sentence. It is an affirmative, it's a negative sentence which ends with a full stop. The only thing is that never has been placed first to emphasize. So see the tone, in what tone you would speak the first sentence. I have never allowed it. And in the second sentence, never have I allowed it. See the emphasis. I hope you're getting it. Now let's go to the second example. Here also you find the word hardly. He hardly goes to school. This is the tone you would speak. Okay? Now, if we change the order, that means for the sake of emphasis, if we supply the word hardly first, the sentence would become hardly and then he goes. It is simple present. That's a technical term. So here it will be changed into the same structure that we follow in interrogative. So the sentence becomes hardly does he go to school. See, does he go to school? The same structure that is used for interrogative sentences. Hardly does he go to school. So hardly is used as the first word in order to emphasize. Again, just remember the tone. He hardly goes to school. Hardly does he go to school. So the tone is different slightly. So this rule is applicable not just to these two adverbs, but so many other adverbs. Now write down, I would suggest you to write down in the comment section what are the other adverbs that follow this. And last but not the least, let me tell you, in technical language, it is known as inversion in English grammar. What's inversion? Inversion is nothing but placing the verb before the subject. So in adverbs, we follow it. Hope it's clear. Thank you very much.